Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about ribbon chart visual in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Ribbon chart. I really like this chart because it is just smoothly flows from category to category and it just level up and down. If it goes down, it will level up. If it goes up, it looks really beautiful. Now let's have a look into detail how we can do that. So on the visualization tab, there is an icon available as ribbon chart on the right side. You can click on that, and there's an axis here. I have drag and drop the region, and segment is the axis. For the x-axis, for legend it is subcategory, and for the value it is total sales. And if you go to this formatting tab, the first one is a general option. It is responsive or not, the X position, Y position, width, height, and all text. If you want any, and then the legend. Legend, if you want to keep it by top, you can keep it here. You can keep it by bottom. You can keep it by left, right, top, center. Oh, these are the options available here: top, bottom, left corner, right center. So I think top center is looks much better than this. So if you want to keep a title, you can keep enabled here for this one, for the legend title, and what is the subcategory, and then the color of it. You can change the font here, and even you can change the text size as well. This is cool. And then the next is the x-axis. The x-axis, you want to change the color, you can change it here. The x-axis and the font size, font family, and then the minimum category width. If you want to increase the width, even you can do that. To increase the category, it just use the scroll bars available. If you reduce this one, it just tries to bring it up in one single interface. And what is the maximum size? 37%. If you want to increase, you can do that. If you want to reduce, you can reduce that. And if you want to concatenate label, you can do that. If you want to separate one, even you can do that. And the title, if you want region and segment, by default it will be turned off. I think it is better to turn off. The next one is the data colors. By default it will take one color. If you want to change, you can change it here based on your selection. And then the data label, what is the color of the data label you want it to be. Want it to be black or white, you can select it here. And then the display unit, millions, thousands. If you want to change it, the decimal, then the orientation, vertical or horizontal, then the position inside and inside center or inside base or auto. Let it be auto itself. Overflow text to be turned on or off if you want, and you can increase the text size. You can change the font family. If you want to show background of the data label colors, you can do that, and you can set the background colors. And if you want to customize the series, you can do that for each and every series. You want to change the position, text, font family, row background, values and all. By default it will be turned off. And then the plot area, if you want to add an image on the plot area, only in this visual I think it has an option to add an image. If you want to add something, you can do that. This is an example. And the image fit here, normal, fit. If you want to fill, even you can do that. It will fill, and the transparency level. If you want to reduce it, the transparency, you can do that. This looks cool. If you want to remove it, you can remove it here. And then the next one is the ribbon. If you want to keep the space between these ribbons, even you can add that one. So I'm just changing it to 5. So there is a gap between each and every ribbon. Better not to have a space between them. Okay. And then match series color. It is just the ribbon look. If you turn off this one, it will be looks gray and it is not matching to the series. If you turn on, it will match it to series color. And then the level of transparency. If you reduce this one to 0, it will be highlighted as a dark one. If you make it to 100% transparent, it will look like just a column chart. I mean, okay. Now let it be 20%, or if you want to be 0%, you can do that to have full flow. And if you want to turn on the borders, you can do that. If you want to turn on, you can have to do that. Then the title, and if you have a word wrap, font color, background color, font align center, you can do that. Then text size and text family. The last one is the background color. Not only the plot area is the background image, this is the background color. If you want to add something, you can do that. Okay, it fills completely the background color with the transparency. And then the tooltip and visual header is as usual. So these are features available in the ribbon chart. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. If you have any queries and feedback, post it on the comment section below. Share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.